Hi everybody, welcome back to Armcandy. So today we've got for you a Givenchy Antigona, and it's in this gorgeous red colour. I really like this colour. It is really nice. So we've got one removable strap there. You can see it's removable on either end by those loops. And then we've got double top handles, and these handles are really nice and sturdy. And then we've got a zip top closure with this little leather zip pull. So I'll get that open, show you the inside. So in there, I've got one zipped pocket just at the back there. You can see that's got another little leather zip pull. And then on the opposite side, we've got one large flat pocket and one smaller flat pocket. And other than that, it's just one nice big compartment. So for the condition of this bag, we've called it good all around, and I will show you why. So I'll just get that closed up again so I can show you the exterior. It actually still looks really nice overall. You can see that colour, it still looks really nice. The corners are in pretty good condition. There's just a couple of marks, you can see just there, a little bit of a mark there, and then those corners still look really nice as well. And they're just a few very minor marks over the bag. You can see very tiny. Just a little bit of a white mark there. And then there's a little bit of an indentation on the leather there as well. Other than that, it still looks very nice. The hardware we've called good, mostly for the fact you can just tell that it has been pre-loved and used. I'll show you that hardware, but it still all works very well. Still looks very nice and shiny. Inside, I'll open it up again and show you the inside. You've got that nice fabric lining in there. Get an angle, you can see it. You can see just down in that bottom corner, there is a couple of little red marks. You can see just down here. I can get an angle so you can see it. There's a little bit of marking on the base of that fabric lining as well, but overall it's nice and sturdy. It's still kept its shape really nicely, and its colour is beautiful, so it is a very nice bag. While you're here, don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any gorgeous bags like this one that we have to show you. So I'll show you what it comes with. We've just got the Givenchy dust bag to keep it protected while it's being stored. So for any exact measurements, you can go to the link in the description below and you'll find loads of specific details on this bag. So go to that link. That will be the link to shop. If it doesn't take you directly to this bag, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. But if you love this bag as much as I do, then don't forget you can get on our request list just by getting in contact with us by our email or the contact us form on our website. Let us know that you love this and we'll get you on our request list, and you'll get an alert through, and hopefully you can get in there before everyone else. So as I said, exact measurements are on the website, but I'll show you on me for reference. So we've got, by that shoulder strap there, it sits at a really nice and comfortable place under your arm. It's not kind of, it doesn't feel like it's in the way. It's got a nice weight to it, so it feels properly sturdy. Yeah, it is very nice, comfortable to wear on your shoulder. Or of course, if you wanted to remove that strap, just have it by those top handles as well, then it is really nice like that. It would make a great little work bag. It's a lovely shape, I really like it. So for more details on the bag, again, go to the link in the description below. Have a browse through our website while you're there, look at our bags, purses and wallets. Hopefully there'll be something on there that you like. And don't forget you can sign up to our newsletter. We're getting in new bags all the time, so sign up to that newsletter and keep yourself updated. And if you sign up to our newsletter as well, you will get through your welcome discount code, which you can use on your first purchase with us, so don't miss out on that code. And also on our website you'll find the How to Sell With Us page, so if you've got any beautiful bags like this one that you would like to sell with us, get onto that page and you'll find all the details you need to know. We would love to see what bags you have for us. And that's all I have for you, so see you later with some more Armcandy.